Hello and hello. I am Adam Basa, and in this tutorial, we are going to be creating this uh, template website, which is a challenge on Frontend Mentor, and I'm going to leave down below the link to Frontend Mentor, this Frontend Mentor challenge and Frontend Mentor is a great place where you can practice your content skills. So we are going to the this using the app and pure CSS. So let's jump in and get started. So I got my white test React tab opened on this panel, and I got my code editor opened on this. And if you're wondering which theme is this the GitHub adult theme. So to get started, I'm going to just see the other thing. So I'm going first to see the app.js, and so the app has clear other things inside index.js, and also I'm going to the flash. And now it won't be giving me something. It said that it can't leave this. So I'm going to get started by importing React and exporting by the export by default function named app to get us started. This will return JSF. So listen. Oh, okay, so wait 1 second. I accidentally closed the part. So what we can do is just open the my integrated terminal and just say npm done that. So use it, and now it should be working, and let's see we just have a few things. We are going to get started by putting our BD. So first of all, inside the index.css, I'm going to remove the margin and the padding. So select margin 0 and also padding 0. Then I'm going to select the body, and I'm going to just have the background to think I think halal like you could tell, and if you look wondering what should be called, this is a pack accordion coding challenge. But I don't think it's pink. I think it's more like a purple. I think it's plum. Think plum in the correct, but light a little bit, so I'm just going to the match it. I think this is the correct. Then I need a background image with a URL going to my public, because my images are in my public, and I'm going to just uh, get it. So here and public and background pattern. That's because you would call this, but it's plural. So background repeat, no repeat. Like you can see now we got this full thing, which is exactly what we need. Then I'm going to get started by setting the display to be a text to make the thing shuffled in the and justify content to be in the center, not to be items to be a line items to be in the center. So it's in the middle of the screen. And now here, inside main, I can get started by styling it. So here, I'm going to open main and this will have a background color of white and a padding of 15 pixels. And also I wanted to have a border radius of 15. And also here I needed to have a height of 100 V8 so it will take all the height in the screen, and like you can see now we got this little cute circle. And I'm going to just get started by styling it. So first of all I need a, don't know why it stops. Let me just open the terminal. Okay, so let's just get started by creating a div, and I want this div to have a display of left. So what I will do is I want to select the first div. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to main and I'm going to select div and first to select the first child that I'm going to just pass it a display of left. Now instead of this, I can add an image. And now I can import my image. So import star plum, and this plum will be from my public folder slash icon slash star dot svg, and my SLS will be this star. So SLS will be my star. So 10. So like you can see 10. And now I can just add after this image an icon, but I want this to be a self-loading tag. And I'm going to create an H1. Let's just call it, for example, tag. So tag, and like you could see it. But this first should be for child, so delete it. And now in my body, I need to pass in a part family. And a family of your choice, I'm going to go with Tahoma. So it said it's quite good. Then I want to select the H that is inside this to add a margin to it. So main their first tile H1 margin depth of 15 pixels. And like you can see, we got. And now it's time for the inner text. But first here I need a margin bottom of 5%. So you got this spacing between them. and I'm going to get started by going here and adding multiple here. But here I wanted dot flag for the flag to be flags, and I can just say dot flags equal be the flag. So dot flags is a flag, and I'm going to be needing inside this a flag first and a two. So an a two of the name of it of the thing. So here we got, so what I can do about it is just go and open the text that it does provide you after you download it. So I'm going to open it and then let's continue. So LinkedIn is by default open my browser. So LinkedIn, I'm going to inspect, then I'm going to copy the first two. They can actually just paste it here. Then here I need to add an image tag, but inside this image tag, I don't know if it is opened or closed, and this is where the active case comment. So going to const you to calling that as close and press close. It could be a use case, and in this use case, I'm going to add multiple. Want to create an array. So I want to have question one. So the first question, and this first question will be by default false. Then like this for the rest of the questions. So we have four different questions. If you prefer to do it separately, you can of course do that, but this will be easier for me. So one, two, three. So here, going to the SLS, and this SLS will be equal to real something. Want to check first if cloud dot question one. So if question one is open, I want to set it to be minus. And by default, question one is open. Two because it's open. So now if question one is opened, I want to get the minus. So import load from, and I'm going to look import it. But first here, cloned icon. So the cloned icon. Then this will be icon slash minus dot svg. And now I can just copy and make the same for the open. So open, the icon, and this will be plus. So I want it if close, if it is, no, actually this, I want it to be equal to be open. If open and set open, so open question one, if open question one, I want to display the opened sign, which should, okay, so, which 1 second, so this is correct because if it is opened, you need to set the opened icon. So if open, then going to pass it opened icon. But as I'm going to pass it the closed icon. But here this is incorrect. So it says now I can pass it an add to have me icon. And now I can actually I want this H2 heading be a little bit smaller. So an H3 will do, I think so. An H3 and H3. So like you can see here, look, and now want it when you click it to change it. So this text thing in the title wanted to have an on click, and on this on click, I wanted to just test open dot question one who val then minus one. This should be. So I don't know why it's not working. So here I want it to be open dot question. And let's for now comment this to this field. So I can just choose the integrate the AI to help me solve. This is why I prefer Cursor. So how to, so for example, why it is okay. Yeah, you need it to be an asynchronous function. So now when you click it, like you see, change the icon. But now I need the text inside of it to also change. So what I am going to do here is that after this flag, I'm going to just open a if statement. So if question, if open dot question one. So if question one is open to say something, a P for now. But as wanted to not give a, so now what I need to do is just copy this. So now in this P tag, I can actually do it like this, and now I can just format it for the formatting issue. Now, when it's open, like you could say something, but when you close it, it disappears. So, like you can see the tail, but I want both. I want this main to have a width of 50. I'm sorry, only 50. Okay, so no, no, so 500. Like you can see the tail. Now, when you open it and close it, nothing will override a scene list, which is exactly what we want. But now we want this image icon to go to the other thing. So what I can do is just add to this. So what we can do actually is just add to this flag also a position of lalette. I want to select the image inside of the flag to have a position of absolute, then going to let's say right 0. Now let you can see it is on the other side, which is what we want. So now we can move on creating the other thing. So what we can just simply do is just copy and paste this div multiple times so it will work. So let you can see it here, but this will be question 2. So it's going to just change these to be question number 2. And now if we test, like you can see here, now I can just paste in the other question. So here I can just see this. And I'm going to just say in Frontend Mentor, three, for example, that here can like delete this section and then copy and paste these. So like you can see it is. So like you can see now it is working and it is looking good. Now I'm going to just get, get it over with creating the list of the file things so you don't get bored. Little after I pasted and copied all the other things now it is working like because it here you can like expand it and also like close it. Like you can see here all you can like open also close which is other things we need. Except this thing it seems that I can't just do it because I forgot to change this to be number 4 and now it is working perfectly, which is exactly what we want. Now to go and set it to be mobile and also expand this and put for example this iPhone. This if you can see it's not very 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 responsive. So we need to make it responsive, which we will be doing in the next part. So, so let's uh, let's do this responsive part. In this introduction, here, I'm going to just say this. So I'm going to be just use a quick thing responsive mode. So like you can see, this is the color. So I'm going to just for now the and I'm going to just add a body. This I'm going to just add the background image to another URL, which is specific for mobile with Frontend Mentor provided for me, which is the uh, mobile pattern. But I think this mobile with is really small, so I think this should be for like 500 left. So if you can see it here, now it should like you can see it. And I'm going to just pan this to so it will display the mobile. Like you can see it here. Just so I on the main to study max we call it to be 90%. So the max we call it will be 90%. And also the width will be also 90%. And I think this is, yeah, I think this is cool. So let's open it. Like you can see, this is how it displays on a large screen, and this is how it displays on a small screen, which I think is good. But I think Frontend Mentor wanted the small screen be another side. So let's go and check it out. So like you can see here, it says that here, if we scroll down, no, sorry, it is in the tile guide. It is so the mobile is 375px. So this it should be 375px. So here, if I'm going to let's say passive and clap it like you can see now, it is displaying another thing, and this is our project for today. And if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe.